So guys, what are we gonna do today? I don't know, dude. I gotta discover the planet. What? A hottest planet. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, here's a new telescope. There was this thing. What was that? Is this super hottest exoplanet? Yeah. Then we're going to news. Let's go into news. Let's go into news. Breaking news, okay? The little thing that was alone, the little exoplanet is the super hottest. And you're gonna discover an exoplanet. Never mind. Let's discover a new exoplanet. Wait, come on. Let's go. What you gonna do then? Because I just discovered a planet. Yeah, me too. What? I don't know. This is just a thing. There. Kepler 85b. That was stupid. This is not stupid, dude. Yeah, this is a new little thing, exoplanet. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go on a ship. Wait a minute. Is it a ship? Let's just do it. Okay. In Andromeda. I'm gonna discover. Oh, Kepler 85b. Come on, let's go. There's no getting on those. It's hottest in here. Super hot. Yeah. It's so hot. Oh, you're so hot. You're so hot. This is so dangerous. Oh yes, me. Do you okay? Yeah.